Okay, thank you. I came in on Monday and Tuesday and cleaned them. Mm-hmm. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. That is a rough cork. That is, yeah, mold. Oh, that is a soft cork. It just like fell into that. Okay.
Yeah, that's not a good sign of that.
We'll see.
Don't get sick now.
I won't.
I think everybody's getting sick.
No,
Even
no,
me
no,
today.
no,
I'm like,
no, I don't want to hear it.
I left the house today. I'm like,
Like I did, okay?
oh, so wet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. It's going into the cork. There's still suction though, I hear it.
At least it doesn't fall apart.
Close one.
Jeez. They did a great job.
Look at that.
That is like
The end of that was just like,
it's
you almost jinxed me. You hear that? You're over here, you're like, whoa, at least it didn't. Oh boy. You know what? It's not a bad thing that the cork is super saturated. I'm just glad that it's actually a good thing that it's wet. So let's just hope that it's good. It would be very nice. It doesn't smell corked right now. It doesn't smell anything. So that's a good part. I'm glad. It's just a little dirty. Very nice. Just a little bit of the cork that almost kind of came off in there, but it looks really nice. Smells good. It smells like there's red fruits, a little smoky, like floral, like smoked flowers kind of thing. It's not corked, but just has like I think it's good. No, I think for 85, second label, it's good, dude. It is. It really is solid. For $2.50,
That's really good.
it's a great price.
I love